this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the Vosteed Cutlery Mini Nightshade and see if it makes for a good urban EDC knife. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. So shout out to Vosteed for sending this to me. I previously discussed the knife, the raccoon. You can check that out in the link in the card above or the description below. And this is a completely different knife in terms of style, design, and size. So here's the packaging that it comes with, and here you have the description. It has a blade steel of 14C to an 8N. It's got a black stone wash finish, G10 scales, and a very interesting blade shape, as you can see. So the box is standard for all the Vosteed knives, and when you open it, you do get a pouch, some swag, some literature, and you get an extra set of Omega springs, because this is an access or cross-body lock as they call it, and if the springs give out, they provide extras, which is a great touch. So very simple pouch for a single knife. There's a Velcro tab here, so you can put any kind of morale patch that you like. And here's the knife. Also get a nice microfiber cloth. That's about it. So here we go. This is the Mini Nightshade. So obviously there is a regular Nightshade which is larger. This is the smaller version. So just put it on my palm. You can see I have small to medium hands. That's pretty small. Thumb stud to flip that out. As you can see, very unique style blade. When I first saw it, reminded me a bit of a Spyderco, except there wasn't any circle or spidey hole. So I would have described this as leaf shape, but they described this as the Shinlin cutter, which is based on an old Taiwanese knife design, but that's the blade style. They call it Shilin cutter. Alright, so let's talk about some specs of the knife first. The blade length is 2.6 inches long, the handle length is 3.71 inches long, and the overall length is 6.31 inches long. The blade length is 1.13 inches wide, and for blade thickness, it's 2.5 millimeters or 2.49 to be exact. The blade steel is 14C to an 8N, so that's a really tough steel. Decent edge retention, so as a budget steel, it's really a good all-round steel, one of my favorite steels. And for urban EDC, you have no problem using this blade steel, and I doubt you're going to have any chipping if you just use it for normal urban EDC tasks. Of course, you don't knock it on concrete and stuff like that, but it is a very tough and great edge retention for what you pay for it. Now, HRC is between 58 to 62, so pretty decent as well. Full flat grind, black stone wash finish, and there's a little sharpening choil over there. Now you can't really go up to that, that's too small, but in terms of just the size, it's that size where if you want to do draw cuts, you can just ergonomically put your index finger over and you got that there. You could of course thumb it if you want. And overall, this is a unique design shape, but definitely very slicey, able to do all your package opening, cutting of papers, your cordage, zip ties, and stuff like that. Absolutely no problem. Now the locking mechanism is the crossbar lock or the axis lock from Benchmade previously. So you just pull it and that would close, kind of almost like a gravity release. So it can flip open this way, you can close it up this way, or you can pull back the lock and kind of flick it open as well. So different ways you can deploy. Handle scales are G10, and this is kind of this OD green finish. Now there are no liners inside, so it's a pretty lightweight knife. The weight is 1.8 ounces or 51 grams. That's pretty lightweight. So it's designed as really a small EDC knife, very pocket friendly, very handy. Now I have small to medium hands. I get a full grip on the handle. I'm sure if you have bigger hands, your pinky is going to come over here, so it's almost a 3-finger grip, and then the pinky just rests on the rear. But for me, I could almost get almost a full purchase, and if I kind of just move up or draw up, then even better. So let me show you some, I guess, comparisons of knives of this kind of smaller knife style or blade, something like a 2.5 inch blade. So I have here the CRJB Malia. That's a smaller blade, but kind of that smaller knife. I have a Civivi knife here. This is the Kiwi Plus. About the same blade length. Now, if you had the Baby Banter, which I do, but I don't have with me here, that would fit within this range as well. And for the sake of completeness, I've got an Altoids tin, just so that you can see the size right over there. So overall, I think this is a great knife. If you're looking for something which is a unique blade style, you're sick of Spyderco, you want something that is maybe a bit more budget friendly as well, but decent steel with this 14C 28N, I would think this is a pretty good knife. From what I've seen for Vosteed so far, they make really good quality knives, great fit and finish, good steels, unique designs. They really try to put their own spin on it, so it's not just like a carbon copy of other designs. So overall, definitely if you're looking for a compact knife, something that is really EDC friendly and would definitely do all the urban EDC like tasks that you need, definitely would recommend this Mini Nightshade. Well, do you own this Mini Nightshade or the full-size Nightshade? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the knife? I'd like to hear what you think as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. As always, keep it folded, keep it safe.